We're having hot dogs today for dinner, and I figured I would show some really cool knife, like basically knife art you can do on the hot dogs to make them come out looking kind of funky when they're cooked. So the first one I'm going to do is a spiral, and all you do is you just do a spiral all the way along the hot dog. Make sure you don't cut too deep when you're doing the design, otherwise the hot dog will just fall apart, especially with the spiral. So next I'm going to do triangles on it. Super easy, but looks super cool when it opens up. Those are the two easiest kinds of designs to do for hot dogs to make them look funky. You can also do this when you're doing them on campfires and they look even better. So now we're going to go cook them and I'll show you what they look like when they're done. So this one is the spiral. See how it's opened all up like that and it looks all funky? However, my favorite, I love doing this one, and it's so simple, is the triangles. Hold on, let me show you the good side, okay? This one opened up nicely. Ooh, oh, hot, hot, hot. It looks like little hearts. Okay, everybody, you guys have fun trying this, and let me know how it goes in the comments. Also, please don't forget to like this video, comment anything you'd like to see me make. My goodness, child. And follow me or subscribe, depending on which platform you're on, and I hope to see you guys in future videos.